This island was not meant for us. We took it anyway. 600 years ago, Arthur and his knights led our people to the shores of Avalon, escaping the Red Death. They have killed the mysterious dwellers of the island and raised menhirs that cleanse their corrupting weirdness. Now, the king is long gone. The Knights of the Round Table are in disarray. The Red Death has returned. Worst of all, guardian menhirs are going dark, and the weirdness is creeping back to claim everything we've built. Our village elders gathered brave champions, the best of us, and sent them to find help in distant Camelot. They did not come back. Now, we must take on their task. We, the outcasts who were never meant to become heroes. We're all that's left. Let's hope it will be enough.
Tainted Grail, The Fall of Avalon is an adventure, exploration, and survival experience for 1 to 4 players. Each player controls an unlikely hero, left behind when better and stronger champions have failed. All of these characters play differently thanks to their 2 exclusive decks of combat and diplomacy cards, as well as unique traits and weaknesses. Journey through a grim land based on a reimagination of Arthurian legends and Celtic mythology. To advance, use a network of guardian menhirs that slowly lose their power. Reveal beautiful, tarot-sized location cards containing unique actions and events. Explore these locations multiple times, launching yourself into over 100,000 words of interactions, secrets, difficult choices, and memorable characters. Many actions grant you special statuses that influence the world around you, shaping future quests and even swapping entire location cards for their alternative versions. The non-linear content and many random events and encounters provide great replayability, enhanced by our exciting diceless combat system. When in combat, collaborate with other players and build the best possible sequence of cards while dodging the enemy's special attacks and handling his counter moves. Diplomatic challenges that await in human settlements can be just as deadly. That's why your character's diplomacy deck, reputation, and social attributes are also important. If you survive long enough, develop your hero, raise your attributes, gain permanent abilities, enhance your combat and diplomacy decks with new cards, and find useful items or artifacts. The game is divided into chapters that can be completed during a single game night and then easily saved.
Hey guys, Martin here from Awaken Realms, and today I would like to invite you to Tainted Grail. This is an amazing adventure we would like to take you on. It is a great story. It is a story, a very deep story about life and death and the cycle between them and what happens when you break it. It is also a great game that will simulate you one of the best moments of RPG sessions. It is a very fresh, unique combat and diplomacy mechanism. You have character development. It got like exploration, so it gets all of those different elements that you have. And essentially it is also component-wise, it is one of the most ambitious projects we ever made, and one of the most ambitious projects I think anyone made, because we have like over 1,000 unique arts made for this game, 100,000 words of story. We got like amazing miniatures that will bring those different creatures into life. And all of that just, like joins itself to craft one of a kind experience that I can sum up with a pure world adventure. It's an amazing adventure that we would like to invite you on. So I hope that you will join us on the island of Avalon. Thank you.
Pledge now and take part in this epic adventure on an unmatched scale.